Mirror now continues to focus on the massive barge tragedy which took place off Mumbai coast, claiming lives of 86 people during Cyclone Taukte. Mumbai cops who have filed an FIR in the case are seeking legal opinion as to whether the staff of ONGC and AFCONS can be named in the FIR. Let me go across to my colleague Santhya for more on this. Santhya, what are the details that you have? Now, the Mumbai police is in fact examining whether or not it's possible to actually have staff of ONGC also being looked into when it comes to this tragedy.
Absolutely, Tanima. See, in fact, Mirror Now last week exclusively brought the information for our viewers that how the committee which was formed by Petroleum Ministry to look into the tragedy, which actually claimed 86 lives, Tanima, the committee filed its report and held AFCONS responsible for the negligence and gave a clean check to ONGC. But now the story has moved one step ahead, and this time it is about Mumbai police. Remember, when the tragedy took place at that time, Mumbai police also filed an FIR, and in that FIR, Mumbai police actually booked the master of barge P305. He unfortunately also died in that tragedy. And apart from that, Mumbai police had booked the manager, the technical superintendent, the owner of the shipping company of barge P305. Now, apart from that, Mumbai police actually sought further legal opinion on who else exactly should be named in the FIR, who else is responsible based on the evidences which are available. So Mumbai police has received that legal opinion. Team Mirror Now spoke to the legal team of Mumbai police, and we got to know that the legal team's opinion is that ONGC officials and AFCONS officials should also be named in Mumbai police's FIR, as both ONGC officials and AFCONS officials did not take the warning of cyclone as seriously as they should have taken it, and they did not take the appropriate steps on time, and that resulted into the action which actually was started by these barges that actually delayed it. And as a result, by the time these these vessels tried to get out of that zone, tried to get out of sea and tried to come ashore, by that time it was way too late. And remember, Tanima, this is that tragedy which claimed 86 lives. Mirror Now from the very beginning is bringing all the exclusive updates regarding the story. And this time, Mumbai police has received a legal opinion that AFCONS officials and ONGC officials also were negligent towards this entire episode, and that's exactly why their negligence also added to the tragedy, and according to the legal team of Mumbai police, their name should also be added in the FIR. Tanima.
That's right. We'll, of course, be tracking all these updates with you, whether or not there is a movement in this regard in terms of looking into the role of ONGC staffers. That is also something that the Mumbai police is seeking legal opinion on. Thank you so much for joining us with that, Santhya.